Hello everyone. In this video, we learn how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. First, for example, we have some data and product name, the months, and the sale number. And we want to make this data to a pie chart. First, select your all data and on the top, click on Insert and click on Chart. Now we have a chart, but we want pie chart. Now in your right, we have a chart editor and we must change chart type. Now click on drop down arrow, scroll down and choose pie chart. As you see, we have a pie chart and you can close editor and move your chart in any direction. Also, if you want again change the chart type, click on three dots and choose edit chart. Again, from chart type you can change the chart. And if you want delete this chart, one click on it and on your keyboard click on delete. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and support us to make more videos. Thanks for watching.